Epistra.
I heard a lot of motherfuckers running this game. They claim to be the baddest and the freshest in the game. Food be the gun in the pot that he claimed. But I haven't seen you done, none of the bringers a change. I've been ready to climb with these suckers, they know about it. I'm an artist, not a rapper, so you take it how it is. You're my city, on my back, no time with a resident. I can spit the dead fire, plotting death with every game. I ain't nobody, but I be the one who take you out. Quit being deep, probably stick you wanna be and see your way down. Could rap it to get your education, make their parents proud. The only way you gonna make it is love, so you cry about. Shout out to L people holding it down and putting the team on and bringing us a new sound. And all the old school cats who did it first before us. Much love and much respect, we got nothing but love, nothing but love. Who's the hottest, who's the goddess, who's in top in this game? Who's the illest, who's on killing, who gon' be changing this game? Y'all forgot but no time, your niggas out for fame. Let me put my city on me, ready to murder the game. Who's the hottest, who's the goddess, who's in top in this game? Who's the illest, who gon' kill it, who gon' be changing this game? Y'all forgot but no time, your niggas out for fame. Let me put my city on me, ready to murder the game. I ain't got a lot, I'm jealous, so I'm throwing shots back. Yellow diamond records, be stealing beats, nigga fuck rap. I ain't gotta make it to this game, I ain't gotta be the best, I just gotta be mean and let the people relate. It's been too long, we let these motherfuckers slide. They be talking and barking like they're ready to die. When I catch you on sight, I'ma hip hop the rhymes, killing the mic. Straight for the 5 now West Coast, where we don't die, then we multiply. I swear this rap niggas trap, niggas ain't about it. This is hip hop with bitch made, nigga get drowning. Fuck your allowance, let's go pound and pound and see who's really down with it. You going 100, I'm going 1,000 of ya. I'm ground pounding, time to tee this down and catch a fanning for these dead rappers. This is the dangerous chapter for these rappers. I'm after fill my raptures. Most of these niggas out here ain't nothing but actresses. Give them a scene and watch these niggas act up. Who's the hottest, who's the goddess, who's the top in this game? Who's the illest, who's gon' kill it, who gon' be changing this game? No one jump on no time, your niggas out for fame. Let me put my city on me, ready to murder the game. Who's the hottest, who's the goddess, who's in top in this game? Who's the illest, who gon' kill it, who gon' be changing this game? No one jump on no time, your niggas out for fame. Let me put my city on me, ready to murder the game. This ain't a diss, but you can hop on Toxicity's dick. And here's my list of who really sick in this shit. It goes LP, TLL, mobile and record about K. Cause you feel Deuce Con, D-Flow, double time and definitely ain't HMG, ATK, definitely ain't through Peter and finally me. I got so much rap, but it's not down, I'm ready to sleep. No pork, no chicken allowed, I only want beef. Tell my family but ease, I'ma keep on the beat, steady on the green. I ain't gotta blow, I'm creeping up silently, creeping all these rappers when they violate me. Violently they try to be seem like they want the West Coast East. Should I give it to one release? No time poets to manipulate different regimes. And if you ever thought I'm on, artists wanna throw shots back, then you niggas off track. Even a rap nigga would've caught that ahead of their time, spitting that raw crack. And that's what you all lack, ready for anything, ready to bust back, ready to bust back. I'm the hottest, I'm the goddess, I'm the top in this game. I'm the illest, I'm gon' kill it, I'm gon' be changing this game. Straight from the no top, my city is my team. Me and my city is hungry, about to rearrange this game. I'm the hottest, I'm the goddess, I'm the top in this game. I'm the illest, I'm gon' kill it, I'm gon' be changing this game. Straight from the no top, my city is my team. Me and my city is on, we bout to rearrange this game.